In this question, you have to identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase of the cell cycle. Option A, cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. Now G1 phase, that is the gap 1 phase, is the first phase of interphase which precedes DNA synthesis, that is the ACE phase. So in G1 phase, the cell prepares for DNA replication but does not actually replicate its DNA. Now, instead, it synthesizes proteins, increases in size, and accumulates energy reserves in preparation for DNA synthesis in the subsequent ACE phase. That is, the cell is metabolically very active. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, nuclear division takes place. It is incorrect. Nuclear division, whether in mitosis or meiosis, does not occur during the G1 phase. It happens during the AIM phase. Option C, DNA synthesis or replication takes place. It is also incorrect, as DNA synthesis occurs during the ACE phase and not G1 phase. Option D, reorganization of cell components takes place. It is also incorrect. The reorganization of cell components happens mainly during the AIM phase when the cell prepares for division. But G1 is more focused on growth and preparation for DNA synthesis.